In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Perplexity AI. Setting up two-factor authentication on your Perplexity AI account is a great way to improve your account security. Once it's enabled, signing in requires not only your password, but also a verification code generated by an authenticator app. This provides an extra layer of protection and helps keep your account secure, even if someone manages to learn your password. To begin, open Perplexity AI and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to enable two-factor authentication. Once you're on the main screen, locate your profile icon and select it. From the menu that appears, choose All Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings page, stay under the Account section and scroll down until you find the Security category. In this section, you'll see the option for two-factor authentication. Select Setup to begin the configuration process. Perplexity AI will now display a QR code on your screen. At this point, open your preferred authenticator app on your mobile device. You can use Google Authenticator or another compatible authenticator app that supports time-based verification codes. Scan the QR code that's displayed on your screen. If you prefer not to scan the code, you'll also have the option to enter the setup key manually into your authenticator app. Either method works, so simply choose the one that's most convenient for you. After you've successfully added your Perplexity account to your authenticator app, return to Perplexity AI and select Next to continue. Your authenticator app will generate a temporary verification code that changes every few seconds. Enter the current code into the verification field. Since these codes expire quickly, make sure to type it in before a new one is generated. If the timing runs out, simply wait for the next code and enter that instead. Once the code has been verified successfully, you'll be given the option to save your backup codes. These backup codes can help you regain access to your account if you ever lose access to your authenticator app or switch to a different device. You can choose to save them for future use or simply select Done to complete the setup. After finishing these steps, two-factor authentication will be successfully enabled on your Perplexity AI account, giving your account an added layer of security whenever you sign in. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,